Hi guys, how you doing? We're here with 4 Keys Locksmith. We're gonna make a key for a Buick Regal 2013 customer all key loss. So we're gonna start to making the process. We have to cut the key, make the key and cut the key for the car. Okay guys, we already had the code for the Buick, so we're gonna start to making the process to cut the key. We're using this key. This is the flip key for this car, and we already had the code here, so we're gonna start to cut it. We put the key here, the second name, and we start to cut. Press it OK, cut, and that's all. So right here we have the key. It's cutting for both sides. So now we're gonna test it first, and we start to program the key. We are already connected to the system of the car, so we're gonna start the program. We're going to INMO. We're looking for GM, manual selection. This is a Buick USA Regal 2013. It is a push-to-start. Press it OK. So now we're going to control unit. We will read in the immobilizer password, BCM auto, password reading. You press it OK. Has to be careful with that one. Press the start button one time. Press OK. This is the password. We're going back. Press one button back. Going back. Kill the system, and we do add smart key. We press the start button one time. We put the key under the slot. This is the password that we got. We press it OK. The ignition is already off. Now you will see how the lights is turning on. So now we will have to wait 12 minutes. So we already in the 12 minutes. So they say he put the key into the armrest box, the slot or the pocket, how we say it usually. The pocket on this car, we put it here already, the key. So we're gonna press OK. The dash turn it off the lights, and now they say OK. So just press the button one time and release. Okay. We're waiting 10 seconds. The lights come up. And we take it out the key. We test it. The locks go up, go down. So that means it's already programmed the key. You wanna match another key, we press it now. So turn the ignition off. We hold it until the dash come up to the off position. Okay, it's already off. Now we have to hold the button for 12 seconds. We release the button, we press OK. 5 seconds. And we press the button until the lights come up. Okay. That is for close the program cycle. So now we press it off. And now we press the brake and start the car. It's done for this car. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to follow us. Thank you so much.
Tap the bell to get every solution.